Okay guys, so I found this really cool way of factoring today. So consider the polynomial, or the quadratic here, 3x squared plus 8x plus 4, and note here that the value on a is greater than 1. So this is just an easy way to factor. So remember, when that a is greater than 1, we have to take that 3, that number out front of the leading coefficient, and multiply it by the constant. So we get 12 here. So we're looking for, in our minds, two numbers that multiply to be 12, and those same two numbers have to add to be 8. So we're going to rewrite this as x plus 6 times the quantity x plus 2. So two numbers that multiply to be 12 are 6 and 2, and those both add to be 8. Notice now I did not do anything with the 3 yet. I left it alone. So now what we're going to do is divide those constants by 3 and simplify. So we know that 3 goes into itself one time, 3 goes into 6 twice, and 2 divided by 3, that can't do anything. So now look, we have x plus 2, that was what was remaining, times, well, whatever this denominator is remaining, that always goes right up in front of that x. So that becomes 3x plus 2, and I've gone now and I've factored that polynomial very quickly. Let's look at one more quick example of that nice little new rule we found. So we have, let's say we have 6x squared plus 17x plus 5. And so again, we're looking now for, there's that 6, it's other than 1, multiply that together. We're looking for two numbers whose product is 30 and whose sum is 17. Whoops. And so we know that very quickly that we're going to have 15 and 2. Okay, so x plus 15 times the quantity x plus 2. 15 times 2 is 30, 15 plus 2 is 17. And again, all we're going to do, guys, is just divide by that 6 because we haven't used it yet. So now, when we simplify, we have 3 goes into 6 twice, 3 goes into 15 5 times, and 2 goes into itself once, and 2 goes into 6 3 times. So our new binomial product, remember that 2 gets put in front of the x, so you have 2x plus, remember that 5 was remaining, times the quantity 3x plus 1. So now that's a nice little way to factor quadratics when you have an a value other than 1. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know, and I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.